right, let's see who we've got working with us today. It's Tut. Tut, what you say? What's going on, man? Nice job. You look focused there. I don't want to disturb you. Let's see. What does Tut look like with a mustache? I'm sorry, Tut. That kind of looks like something sticking out of your nose. Here, let me fix that. All right, there we go. You look a lot better that way anyway. All right. Okay, guys, like terms. Like terms. We know what like terms are. They're terms that have the exact same variable stuff behind them. So 3x and 4x, those are like terms. But 5y is not. 12x squared is not, because it has the same variable but a different exponent. So these two are like terms, but these are not. So, and we know that we can always and should always put like terms together. We need to combine those things and make it simpler. All right? And that's what we're going to do today. We're solving equations that have like terms and parentheses. You know, with parentheses, generally what we're doing is distributing and then combining like terms and solving. Okay? But let's look at number one here. It says, your school basketball team is playing in the championship game. Congratulations, guys. Well done. For the game, the cheerleaders want to buy a banner that costs $47. Okay. So we've got a banner. Banner is $47. Okay. And they also want to buy small items to give to students in the stands. All right. So we've got pom-poms. And what do the pom-poms cost? The pom-poms cost, let's see, $5.20. And boy, that smartboard messed up. And then noisemakers, I'm just going to put noise. That's 80 cents. All right, for noisemakers. And they have a total amount that they can spend is $377. Okay. Now it says find out how many pom-poms and noisemakers that the cheerleaders can buy if they buy equal number of pom-poms and noisemakers. Whoa, equal number of pom-poms and noisemakers. Pom-poms equal noisemakers. Good. So if I add all this stuff up, I know it's going to be $47 plus the amount I spend on pom-poms, which is $5.20 for every pom-pom, plus the amount I spend on noisemakers, which is 80 cents for every noisemaker. I can spend $377, and that's it. But I also know that the number of pom-poms and noisemakers are the same. You see, I can't really solve this equation because I have two different variables in here. And that's hard to do, guys, like this, solving x plus y equals 4. Right? I can't, I mean, that's an infinite number of solutions. This could be 1, and this could be 3. This could be 5, and this could be negative 1. Well, look at that. This could be 5 and negative 1, right? 5 plus negative 1, that equals 4. So we've got a lot of things. But what I can do is I can actually substitute for this p right here. I can actually write that as an n. So 47 plus 5.20n, because it's the same as p, plus 0.80n, and that's going to give me $377. Now, I always have to never, ever, ever forget that I've got to simplify before I solve. Okay? I'm going to say before you solve, but I need to also do the same thing. All right? So I need to combine like terms. I've got a positive 520n and a positive 0.8n. Oh, that's nice. That's going to give me 47 plus 6.00n. Isn't that nice? Tut, Milan, Tut, where are you? There you are, Tut. All right. Now, I need to simplify. I'm going to subtract 47 from both sides. Right? And that's going to give me 6n is equal to, these two just cancel out. That's going to give me 330. And then to get rid of this 6 right here, I'm going to divide both sides by 6. The 6's cancel, leave me with 1n. And then, guys, you can use this on your calculator, but I think, if I'm not mistaken, that that's $55. Or no, not dollars, I'm sorry. 55 is the number of noisemakers, but it's also the number of pom-poms because they're the same. So P is also 55. All right. Great job, guys, and I'll see you at the next example.